want problems, always.
There's an episode of Seinfeld where Elaine wanted one big ass salad. Well, this is our big ass salmon salad for tonight's dinner. It's the leftovers from the salmon that we had the other day that you could check out the video on previous. Down below, let me know, what do you do with the rest of your leftovers? Do you make a salad? Do you make a sandwich? Or do you add in some eggs? Until next time, really appreciate you for joining us at Wife Cookbook. See you for next dinner.